Welcome to a demonstration of Minutes Master from Health Professions Education Solutions, LLC. Minutes Master is designed to be a one-stop software package for creating meeting agendas and minutes. Begin the initial setup of Minutes Master by clicking the Committee and Groups button on the opening screen. Here you will enter the names of your committees and groups as well as the members of these groups. You can also print a list of your committees and groups. All print features in Minutes Master print to PDF to be saved, shared, or printed to hard copy. Once you have established your committees, groups, and their members, you are ready to make your first agenda. Click the Create an Agenda button to open the agenda form. Here you will enter the meeting name, date, time, and other pertinent information for your meeting agenda. Use the drop-downs to select the required and optional attendees from the committees and groups entered previously. Also include the required materials and advance preparation for the meeting. Enter the recorder, timekeeper, and any guest speakers expected to attend and present at the meeting. As you work your way through the fields, you are setting up your agenda for printing and sharing. All of the information entered into the agenda will be carried over to the Minutes section of Minutes Master, saving you from having to duplicate the information. Be sure to include the academic year of this meeting. This information will be used to sort your actions report discussed later in this demonstration. If you need to pause in creating your agenda, click Save and return later to complete. We also want to include the date and time of the next meeting for this committee or group. Now that we have entered the specifics of the meeting, we are ready to begin entering the topics for discussion or presentation. The topics are sorted into reports, old business, new business, and special event. Using the drop-down, letter the topic, and who will be presenting or leading the discussion. You can make any corrections or adjustments as needed. As you become more familiar with Minutes Master, you can quickly enter your agenda. If at any time you need to alter or change the order of topic discussion, simply return to the section, make the adjustments and continue. Click Save when you are finished to add the new agenda to Minutes Master. To obtain your new agenda, click the Print Agenda button located at the top, right-hand section of the screen. Minutes Master will generate a completed agenda in PDF format. Save the PDF of your new agenda for sharing or for printing a hard copy. The next thing we want to do is to generate a sign-in sheet for our new meeting. Click the Print Sign-in button in the top, right-hand section of the screen to generate a sign-in sheet in PDF format. We are now ready to begin our meeting. We have held our meeting and are ready to populate and generate the minutes. Click the Edit an Agenda, Generate Minutes button. You will see a list of all of the meetings entered into Minutes Master. If you need to modify an agenda, click the Go to Agenda button. Modify the agenda, click Save and Close to return to the opening screen. Again, click the Edit an Agenda, Generate Minutes button to see the list of meetings. Click the Go to Minutes button to open the Minutes form showing all of the previous information entered when you created your agenda. Here you will enter the details of the meeting. When the meeting was called to order, votes held on agenda and minutes approvals, etc. When you list the attendees, go to the Find Members button to open the committees and groups list. Copy the list of names from the committees and groups list and paste in the attendees field. Any individuals who were unable to attend can be edited from the attendees field and added to the regrets field. If you had any handouts or additional materials provided to the attendees in the meeting, you can save these materials in the Attachments field. Add them as you would add an attachment to an email. They need to be in digital format and are saved with your meeting minutes. This creates a one-stop location for all materials associated with the meeting. At this point you will begin to add the details of the discussions of each of the topics in the agenda. Go to the topic you wish to cover and begin typing in the detail field associated with the topic. As you progress, you will migrate from the reports to old business, new business, special events, comments, announcements and actions. You will record in the Actions section any motions made during the meeting and the resulting voting and outcome. At any point you can save your minutes for completion at a later date. Make sure to record the time in which the meeting adjourned. Click Save to save your progress. You have completed your meeting's minutes and are now ready to print to PDF. Click the Print Minutes button to generate the minutes. From the information you entered, a complete, properly formatted minutes are generated in PDF format. Let's take a closer look at the Actions section of your minutes. This section is used to generate a report of all of the actions taken by your program during an academic year. Give the action a number and enter a description of the motion made. Enter details of the motion as needed. You will also record the votes taken on the motion and if the motion passed. This information will be included in the action report for the academic year. To generate an action report, click the Actions Report button on the main screen. You will be asked to enter the academic year for which you wish to generate the report. The report will open in PDF format. The report shows the meeting date, name and any actions taken during the meeting. The report also shows the voting and outcome of the voting. This report is useful in highlighting your program's actions and accomplishments. Use this in program reporting and presentations to outside groups. For a closer look at the agendas, minutes and action reports generated by Minutes Master, view the following. The agendas and minutes are pre-formatted for you based on the information you input when creating your minutes and agendas. Complete, professionally formatted documents are ready with a click. You simply fill in the blanks in the agenda and minutes forms. The action report pulls from information already entered to provide you with a concise report of your program's committees and groups' actions. If you would like to learn more about Minutes Master, please contact us at info@hpes-llc.com. We can provide a license quote and also schedule an online demonstration at your convenience.